Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about this difference between append and merge in Power BI. This question is asked in each interview, so we will discuss one by one. Move to the next slide. That is append. You know that append works on rows basis. You know that suppose there is a two tables present, and in first table they are having four records, and in second tables having the four records. So append works on stacks rows of data vertically. So combines rows from two or more tables with the same structure. It is used to combine the rows from different sources into a single table. So so after that, the in append there must be a same number of columns, column name, and column size should be same. So that time this append works. So next point is append works like a union all. You know that suppose in the any particular tables having duplicate records, so append works on all rows will be came into that output. So you can append more than two tables at once. In Power Query Editor, when you choose the append queries, you have the option to append three or more tables. This allows you to combine several datasets that share the same structure into consolidated table. That is 7 point, that is example or use case we can say appending cells data for multiple regions into one consolidated tables. We can do that in append. uh, that is merge. Now the merge works on column basis. Joins tables horizontally based on the common columns. When we are doing this append, sorry, merge, so that time the one column should be same. That time we can do the append merging things. So after that, in merged you must have the one same column between the tables. In merged there is no mandatory same column name, and size of the column should be same, and data type should be same. So merge works like a join only. It is like SQL. The merge operation is designed to join data from two or more tables based on the common key. However, you need to merge more than two tables. You can perform a series of merge operations. For example, merge the first two tables and then merge the resulting tables with third tables. There is no options in the merge. So suppose we are doing the merging on the more than two tables, so it is mandated to first two tables. After that, we can do the on the basis of third tables and fourth tables. Example, the merging orders and customers tables to get the customer details for each other. So we will directly move on to the practical. So you know that in the Excel, I already put this two tables like sales Q1 and sales Q2. That sales Q1 having that different types of records present. So there is a two tables present like sales underscore Q1 and sales underscore Q2, and into that there is a three records present in the first table, and in second table having three records present. So our output is there is a six because it's a vertically append, right? Appending happens, right? Means here column name should be same and data type should be same. It is mandatory into the append. So once we go into the merged things. So you know that in the merge also there is the customers and orders tables present. So you will in the customers having three columns present, and the orders having four columns present. You know that here is a column size, and the column name should not be same. It is not mandatory like that. It will be same. So just only one column should be same here in the both the tables. Here is the customer that customer ID is the same in both the tables. So based on this common key, we can do the merging in the Power BI. So here output is like a left join. We can say that output is based on the left join only. So practically we will see. Just we go into the Power BI desktop here. In the Power BI desktop, I already imported this that append table 1 and table 2. So based on this, we will see what is the output of that. So firstly we go here like append and merge two things here. So when we go click on to the append queries, here is the two options came. So we choose that append queries as a new. Once we go into that, what happens here, concatenate rows from the tables into the single table. So here are the two options we are showing here, two tables and three or more tables. In the two we choose two tables because in our tables having two tables only. So first table is append table 1 and second table is append table 2. Based on this we can do the appending. So just we click on to that. So you know that this table append we rename just here. We do the renaming like no. Yeah, so you know that this six record is present, our output is same like that. That thing is order id, product quantity and sales amount. So moving to the merging things, we directly jump into the merging. You know that in merging having five records present, and the column name is customer id, customer name and country. And it's in the second table having five records same, but in the column name should be different here: order id, customer id, order date and order table total. So based on this we can do the merging things. When we click onto the merge queries, here is a merge query as a new option is there. Once we go there, we can choose select the tables and matching columns to create a merged table. Here we choose the matching columns. Firstly we select this merged underscore table 1, and in the same as a merged table underscore 2, based on the common key. Like here common key is customer id. Based on this we can do the appending. And you know that firstly we there is a joints, the different types of joints present: left join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, inner join, left anti, right anti. So we choose that left outer join. Here are all from the first and matching from the second. So our output is like that, and we can choose the column on the basis of select select all the columns. All the columns will came from the second table. It is based on the column basis only. So those records are not matched, it's showing the null, right? So that is the merge. We can give the name of merge underscore new here. So yeah, that's it for my side. Thank you.